Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss about adaptation mechanism in fisheries sector for the perspective of climate change. It is necessary to overcome the all the negative impact of climate change on the biodiversity and production of fish. Biodiversity of fish means variation of species of fish. Otherwise, in one way, as environmental balance will be destroyed. In another way, our food scenery or food security will be seriously threatened. We need to take some steps to adapt with the climate change and with the changing environment to overcome the negative impact of climate change. For this, we have to take some steps. The first step is, though salinity is increasing in coastal region due to climate change, so steps should be taken to produce saline tolerant fish and fries like ভেটকি, বাটা, পার্শে ইত্যাদি, etc. The water bodies where salinity is increasing, shrimp and crab can be cultivated. Drought prone area where low rainfall occurs, big fries can be cultivated in the temporary water. For this reason, big fries should be stocked in the locality. Tilapia is much more drought tolerant fish. Koi and deshi magur can also be cultivated in drought prone areas. In flood prone areas or where more rainfall occurs, the banks of the pond should be raised or surrounded by net so that flood water cannot enter into pond or pond fishes cannot go away. By raising bank of the ponds in the flood prone areas, society based fish fry bank can be established. Fries can be stocked in the pond when flood occurred in that area. In flood prone areas, fish can be cultivated in cages during flood. If coastal area is immersed by water after breaking the groiny, stagnant water can be utilized by fish culture with proper planning. Fish culture in cage and culture of crab in the affected area. Due to increasing temperature of the environment day by day, temperature tolerant fish cultivation and production of their fries can be carried out. For example, Bagur Rui Shing. Number 9. If pond water becomes warm due to increasing temperature, Topa hyacinth can be kept on bamboo frame, making in few specific locations. This fish can take shelter under Topa hyacinth to protect itself from worm. For maintaining same purpose, some creeper plants can be given opportunity for generating on water nearer to bank of the pond. Roaming area for sea fish is changing due to climate changes. Now, now section 5 has been finished. I am going to start a new section, section 6. The topic of section 6 is effect of climate change on livestock and poultry. Global temperature and destruction of environment caused by human being is one of the reasons for climate change. Our country is regularly affected by different natural disasters. The disasters are attacking on different countries regularly due to climate change. Livestock and poultry are greatly affected by various natural disasters like heavy tsunami, sea cyclone, tornado, flood and drought. For this reason, farm owner or farmers do not get economic benefit. For recovering this loss in some extent, several steps should be taken during and after the disaster. Considering the fact of natural disaster in Bangladesh, protection and awareness should be raised up against sea cyclone, tornado, flood, drought, mountain rain, excessive rainfall, etc. By this time, Shal forest of Borendro region, Potnitola and Najipur forest of Rajshahi have been extinct as a result of extreme drought occurs in this region. Except re-establishment of those forest areas, law of environment should be activated immediately for planning for coastal forestation, extension of forestation of uncategorized forest area in Chittagong hill tracts, rescue and re-degrading of country rivers and canals, and protection of all kinds of hills. Along with social forestation in our country, trees should be planted in a wide range. These are long-term permanent system. If steps are taken for implementation of these matters, our country therefore livestock can be protected from natural disaster caused by climate change. Various ways of problem evaluation of livestock caused by climate change are discussed below. Problems. There are 9 problems here. I am going to discuss about these 9 problems related to drought. Number 1 problem is a scarcity of green grass. If there is drought in land, the scarcity of green grass occurs. Number 2, water is polluted. Number 3, cattle suffer from malnutrition. Number 4, cattle are affected by different diseases. Number 5, dryness of field grasses. Number 6, external parasitic infection increases on the animal body surface. Number 7, excessive heat creates intolerable situation for birds. Number 8, reducing the health condition including chances of death. Heat stress causes death of broiler and layer. Now I am going to discuss about problems which are observed during flooding. Number 1 problem is water logging is created. Number 2, maximum areas of country go under water. Number 3, disease outbreaks. Number 4, cattle feed is not available. Number 5, water is polluted. Number 6, problem in maintaining livestock is created. Number 7, cattle suffer from malnutrition. Number 8, infestation of different infectious disease and attack of worms are increased. Number 9, toxicity generates in grasses, cattle become sick. Number 10, environment become unhygienic, many animals die. Now important thing is problems related to tidal wave. The problems which are observed during tidal wave is water is polluted in tidal wave affected areas. Number 2, many livestock and animals die immediately after tidal wave and storm. Number 3, dead birds pollute environment in want of burial. Number 4, scarcity of animal feeds occurs. Number 5, animal death occurs due to affection of diarrhea, stomach illness, bloating, etc. Now I am going to start a new section, section 7, that is adaptation mechanism in livestock for the perspective of climate change. Adaptation involves the technique to adapt of a species with its environment. It should be remembered that adaptation process is accomplished in animal body. Animal adaptation is controlled by environmental, weather and climate. So adaptation depends on the environmental temperature, humidity, wind blowing and its properties, height of the place from the sea level and physical structure and physical condition of animal. Animal can survive by facing those properties of adaptation. It is the normal phenomenon of nature. Although human being can protect them by their knowledge, if suddenly massive climatic change occurs, but livestock and poultry cannot be adapted in the situation. Because livestock and poultry are helpless and gentle animals, many of them are to be able to adapt with the environment. If the climatic change is occurred slowly in that area, many species may also be extinct due to unable to adapt with environment. People's help is required for animal adaptation in unfavorable and adverse environment. More emphasis should be given for solving the problems of drought, flood and tsunami. Techniques for protection of livestock in drought. The first technique is cultivation of different tree leaves, including jackfruit, ipilipil, babla, should be increased, and their tree leaves should be fed to animals. Number 2, broiled rice liquid, kitchen waste, rice polish, wheat bran, pulse bran, oil cake, molasses should be given to cattle in sufficient amount during drought. Vaccines of contagious disease should be given to livestock in regular basis. Supplemented feed of green grass should be fed to cattle. Silage and hay should be prepared by grass before coming of drought season, so that these can be provided livestock during drought season. So this is our today's class. In the next class I will finish this lesson. Till there, thanks for watching this video.